Next one, listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Mod x minus 10 plus mod x minus 20 plus mod x minus 30 plus mod x minus 40 equivalent to 40. How many integral solutions will satisfy this equation? Now, how to solve this kind of questions? Step number 1. First, find the critical points for x. Find the critical points for x. What are the critical points for x? Critical points for x are x equivalent to 10, x equivalent to 20, x is 30 and x is 40. Step number 2. Let us check what is happening. Suppose at x equivalent to 10, what will be the value? 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 20, mod of minus 10, it is 10. 10 minus 30, 20. 10 minus 40, 30. It is nothing but 60. Y is nothing but 60. If x equivalent to 20, 20 minus 10, it is 10. 20 minus 20, 0. 20 minus 30, it is 10. Mod of minus 10, 20 minus 40, it is 20. This is nothing but 40. If x equivalent to 30, this is 20. This is 10. This is nothing but 10. It is nothing but 60. X equivalent to, sorry, it is 40. X equivalent to 40. It is 30. It is 20. It is 10 and 0. It is 60. That means the graph is like this. X equivalent to 20. Y is 40. At x equivalent to 30, y is 40. At x equivalent to 10, y is 60. At x equivalent to 40, y is 60. So the graph is like this, like this. Let us see what is happening if the graph is going upwards. Just to prove that there cannot be any other value other than from x20 to 30. If it is 50, 50 minus 10, 40. 50 minus 20, 70. 40 plus 70, 110. So remaining will be positive. It is growing. X is 0. 70, 90, 100. It is growing. That means from x value 20 to 30. From x value 20 to 30. From x value 20 to 30. All of them are giving me y value 40. 20 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 30. 20 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 30. So answer is how many values from 20 to 30? 11 integral solutions. 11 integral solutions. 11 integral solutions will give you y value 40. 11 integral solutions will give you y value 40. Now listen carefully to a set of questions that I am developing under this question. So what I did, I just took the critical points of x, which is 10, 20, 30 and 40, substituted in the question, and just I have drawn a diagram with all the critical points. At 20, y value is 40. At 30, y value is 40. 40 it is 60, 10 it is 60, the graph is going upwards. So from 20 to 30, 20 to 30, all the integral values, because it is a straight line, right? All the integral values from 20 to 30 will satisfy. So answer for this question is 11. Answer for this question is 11. Now see here. Suppose same question, I will put it like this. Mod x minus 10, mod x minus 20, mod x minus 30, mod x minus 40 equivalent to p. Mod x minus 10 plus mod x minus 20 plus mod x minus 30 plus mod x minus 40 equivalent to p. Now let us see here, right? Suppose for what values of p, for what values of p does x takes no solution? no solution, more than 2 solutions, more than 2 solutions, more than 2 solution, unique solution, unique solution. Right, let us see. Mod x minus 10 plus mod x minus 20 plus mod x minus 30 plus mod x minus 40 equivalent to, for what value of p does the x takes no solution, more than 2 solution and an unique solution. Just now we have seen what is the graph. If x is 20, y is nothing but 40. If x is 30, y is nothing but 40. If x is nothing but 40, it is nothing but 60. If it is 10, this is nothing but 60. Now see here, for what value of p it takes more than 2 solutions. More than 2 solutions, it is happening for p equivalent to 40. Just now we have seen. What are all that solution? 20 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 30. Are you all with me? 20 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 30. Right? Now see here. For example, no solution. If it is a unique solution, if it is greater than 40, one value it is there here. If it is greater than 40, suppose no solution. No solution means minimum it is, if it is 40 and 40, the graph is like this. Minimum it is 40. So any value less than 40, any value less than 40, it is not possible. Any value less than 40, it is not possible. Unique solution, for what value of p, it will have unique solution. Unique solution, it is not possible. Multiple values, it will be possible. Just think here, if y value, if it is 60, if y value, if it is 60, or p value, it is 60, how many cases I got? x10 I got, x40 I got, x10 I got and x40 I got. That means for p equivalent to 40, I got 20 to 30. For p equivalent to, suppose for example, if I take more than 2 solution, p equivalent to 40 we got, p less than 40, there cannot be any solution. Right? I will tell you another approach also. Unique solution. Unique means only single value that should be possible. Single value that is not possible. I hope it is clear. Now what we will do? Can more than 2 solution, more than 2 solutions. Suppose if I take p equivalent to 60, I got exactly 2 solutions. I got exactly 2 solutions. So another question also we will do it. Exactly 2 solutions. Exactly 2 solutions. It is nothing but p greater than 40. P greater than 40. Again I am explaining. Instead of keeping the right hand side, I removed the right hand side. Mod x minus 10, mod x minus 20 plus mod x minus 30 plus mod x minus 40. X equivalent to 10 I got y value 60. X equivalent to 20 I got y value 40. X equivalent to 30 I got y value 40. X equivalent to 40 I got y value 60. Now listen carefully. Suppose if I take p equivalent to 40. P40, how many values I got? From 20 to 30 I got. Is it more than 2 solutions? 20, 21, 22 till 30. 11 solutions. 11 solutions are more than 2 solutions? Yes. So for p equivalent to 40, I got more than 2 solutions. P less than 40. Minimum value it is 40. No, p less than 40, that case does not come. So p less than 40. P greater than 40. If it is p equivalent to 60, if you observe, p equivalent to 60, it is when x equivalent to 10 and x equivalent to 40. Exactly 2 solution. Unique solution. Only one value, that is not possible. I hope it is clear. We will do one more question. The number of functions added are even. Suppose if it is mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 7 plus mod x minus 12 equivalent to p. For what? Right? So mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 7 plus mod x minus 12 equivalent to p. Now the question is, right, what is the condition on p? Listen carefully, sir. Extremely important questions. What is the condition on p such that, what is the condition on p such that x takes unique solution, x takes unique solution, x takes more than two solutions, x takes no solution, x takes no solution. Mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 7 plus mod x minus 12 equivalent to p. You can solve it by using graphs, or you can solve it by using distance method. X is 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 7 6, 1 minus 12 11, 11 plus 6 it is nothing but 17. X equivalent to 7, 7 is 7 minus 1 6, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 12 5, 6 plus 5 it is nothing but 11. X equivalent to 12, 12 minus 11 11, 12 minus 7 5, 12 minus 2 0, these is nothing but 16. That means first is 1 comma 17, middle it is 7 comma 11, and next it is 12 comma 16. The graph is like this. If you substitute x greater than 12 and x less than 1, the graph is going upwards. The graph is going upwards. So the graph is like this. The graph is like this. Now x takes a unique solution. When x takes unique solution, that is when p equivalent to 11. When p equivalent to 11. I hope it is clear. Suppose if p is, for example, x takes no solution, p is less than 11. The minimum value of p is nothing but 11, so p less than 11, it is not possible. X takes exactly two solutions, let us see. Exactly two solutions. Now if you see, from 11 to 17 it is passing. Here there could be a point which covers 16, yes or no, which covers, suppose for example, if I take p value for example 17, p value for example if it is 17, here I got 1 comma 17, here there could be another decimal value that should be possible. So exactly two solutions, p greater than 11, right? Point number 4, x takes greater than two solutions. Answer is not possible. These are very, very important questions, sir. By using graphs. Distance method also I will cover. X equivalent to 1 I plotted, it is 17. X equivalent to 7 I got 11. X equivalent to 12 I got 16. The graph is like this. So the minimum value of the graph is nothing but 11. That minimum value I got it at an x value 7, which is nothing but the middle value. So at x equivalent to 7, I got the minimum value as 11. X has exactly two solutions. Suppose if I take 17, it is 12 comma 16, there could be a point here, there could be point. P should be greater than 11. X takes no solution. No solution is when minimum value itself is 11. So less than 11 not possible. X greater than two solutions, this case is not possible. Again I am explaining you. Suppose for example, mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 5 plus mod x minus 9 plus mod x minus 13 plus mod x minus 17. So what you do is, first write these numbers in an ascending order. So these nothing but. Now where is the question? Okay, what we will do is, mod x minus 1, mod x minus 5, mod x minus 9. Next question, you just by looking at the question itself, you can tell the answer if you have understood these. One more example, mod x minus 1, mod x minus 5, mod x minus 9, 13, 17. Now listen carefully. Write the critical points of x in the serial order, in the ascending order. Critical points 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. Second point, take the middle value. Take the middle value. Middle value is where you will get the minimum. So middle value, it is nothing but x equivalent to 9. X equivalent to 9. So from 1 to 9, a person will travel 8. From 5 to 9, he will travel 4. From 13 to 9, he will travel 4. From 13 to 17 to 9, he will travel 8. 16 plus 8, it is 24. 16 plus 8, it is 24. That means equivalent to p-value. Equivalent to p-value. The first question, x takes unique solution. X takes unique solution. He takes a unique solution at what value? When p equivalent to 24. What is that value? It is nothing but x equivalent to 9. Are you all with me? X equivalent to 9. Second question, x takes no solution. X takes no solution. Minimum value itself is 24. So any value less than 24, any value less than 24, it is not possible. Suppose x takes exactly two solutions. X takes exactly two solutions. Exactly two solutions means, suppose if I keep p equivalent to 20, p greater than 24, p equivalent to 30. So what we'll do is, we'll first plot the graph so that you will understand it. 9 comma 9, how much I got? 9 I got 24. 9 comma 24. Let me do 5. 5 how much I will get? 5 minus 1 4. 5 minus 5 0. 5 minus 9 4. 5 minus 13 8. 5 minus 17 12. 20 20 plus 8 28. These 5 comma. Let me do it for 13. 13 means 13 minus 1 12. 13 minus 5 which is 8. 13 minus 9 which is nothing but 4. These 0 and it is 4. 20 28. Now if you observe, for 28 I got exactly two solutions. I hope right now it is clear. P greater than 24. D, x takes more than two solutions. This case is not possible. No possible value for p. Very, very important, sir. Once you visualize it, these are all very, very easy questions. X takes unique solution. Unique means only one value. X takes no solution. X takes exactly two solutions. X takes greater than two solutions. Plot, take the critical points, find out the value of x. Middle point will give you the minimum value for the function. So greater than means I might get 2 points. Less than, anyway no solution, it is possible. With this understanding, let us solve this question. For what value of p, the equation mod x minus 7 plus mod x minus 12 equivalent to p. First arrange it in ascending order. Mod x plus mod x minus 7 plus mod x minus 12, it is nothing but equivalent to p. So the critical points are 0, 7 and 10. First thing is, x takes unique value. X takes unique solution. All the questions we will discuss. X takes exactly two solutions. X takes exactly two solutions. X takes more than two solutions. X takes more than two solutions. X takes no solution. All these 4 questions can come. X takes no solution. X takes unique solution. When the unique solution I will get it at the middle value after arranging it in ascending order 0, 7 and 12. So it is at x equivalent to 7. What is the value of P? 7. So these are nothing but 7 plus 5. P value it is 12. At P equivalent to 12, these equation will take unique solution. These equation will take unique solution. Now, X takes exactly 2 solution. For you to understand it, let me plot the graph because we are doing it with graph 7, 12. If X is 0, these are nothing but 0 plus 0 minus 7. Mod of minus 7 is 7. Mod of 0 minus 12 is 19. Here also it is 12. 12 plus 12 minus 7, 5. 12 plus 5, it is 17. 12 comma 17. Think logically. Here there is a value 17. Here also while going from 7 to 0, 12 to 19 it is moving. It could be at a decimal value also it is possible. Here one value, here one value. So answer is X takes exactly 2 solutions. P is greater than 12. P is greater than 12. Are you all with me? Next one. Next question. Greater than 2 solutions. This case it is not possible. This case it is not possible. X takes no solution. This case is possible. P is less than 12. P is less than 12. P is less than 12. If the question is how many positive numbers, positive integrals it will take. Positive integral means what will be the value? Because it is positive, it is positive, it is positive. Modulus always gives a positive number. So P less than 12. P less than 12 means it can take from 1, 2, 3 till 11. How many values will not give an integral solution? Answer is none of this. I hope the idea it is clear. First write the critical points in the ascending order. If the number of modulus functions are odd, if 3 is there, I will get middle value. If 5 is there, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, middle value I will get it. It's very, very easy to find out all these questions if your understanding is very, very good. Suppose for example, I will do 2 more questions so that it will be clear to you. Y equivalent to mod x plus 5 plus mod x minus 2 plus mod x minus 3. Mod x minus 3. The first thing what you should do is take the critical points, write down in the ascending order. Write down in the ascending order. I hope it is clear. Praveen, write down it in the ascending order. These are nothing but minus 5. These are nothing but 2. These are nothing but 3. Minus 5, 2 and 3. What is the minimum? Are they in ascending order? Yes. So y minimum will be at x equivalent to 2. At x equivalent to 2. If it is at x equivalent to 2, what is y minimum value? 2 substituted, 7, 0, 2 minus 3, it is 1. 7 plus 1, it is nothing but 8. Y minimum, it is nothing but 8. If the question is y equivalent to mod x minus 2 plus mod x minus 5 plus mod x plus 3 plus mod x plus 1, write down it in ascending order. First minus 3 will come, next minus 1 will come, next 2 will come, next 5 will come. Number of modulus functions added are even. So the range will cut minus 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 2. Minus 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 2. Substitute minus 1 to 2. So let me substitute 0. 2 plus 5, 7, 10, 11. Y minimum will be 11. Y minimum will be 11. I hope the idea it is clear. How to find out how many integral values x can take depending upon the equation. Write down it in ascending order. You will keep getting the answer. Idea clear? Next one. The number of positive integers n satisfying this one. So the question is n cube minus 4n square minus 16n plus 64 less than or equivalent to 0. So n square common, n minus 4 minus 16 into n minus 4 less than or equivalent to 0. These is nothing but n square minus 16 into n minus 4 less than or equivalent to 0. These is nothing but n minus 4 into n plus 4 into n minus 4 less than or equivalent to 0. These is nothing but n minus 4 whole square into n plus 4 less than or equivalent to 0. Anyway, square function it is always positive. Anyway, so at n equivalent to 4, this value will be equivalent to 0. If f of n value will be equivalent to 0. So n plus 4, n plus 4, n plus 4, this should be positive less than 0. That means n is less than minus 4. Any value to the less than minus 4, it anyway will be a negative. Let us see if I take n greater than minus 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 64. 64 less than 0, not possible. At n equivalent to 4, 4 cube, 16, 64. So only one value n can take such that this inequality is satisfied, and that value is n equivalent to 4. Good question, sir. So probably just interchange these two, you will get the answer. Next one, x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square equivalent to 48. What is the maximum value of x plus y plus z? This problem can be solved in 3 methods. Method number 1. Method number 1. This equation is a symmetric function. This equation is a symmetric function. In a symmetric function, you can make x equivalent to y equivalent to z. 3x square equivalent to 48. X square equivalent to 16. X equivalent to plus or minus 4. But question is positive real number. So it is x plus y plus z. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Answer for this question is 12. These by using symmetric function. Method number 1. I hope it is clear, right? So even if I replace x with y, y with z, z with x. Replace x with y, y with z, z with x. The equation does not changes. So it is x plus y plus z, which is 12. This is method 1. Method number 2. Method number 2. Now, a square plus b square plus c square into x square plus y square plus z square is always greater than or equivalent to ax plus by plus cz whole square. These the famous Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. A square plus b square plus c square into x square plus y square plus z square. Let me take a simple example. 1 square plus 3 square into 2 square plus 4 square. So these is nothing but greater than or equivalent to 1 2s are 2, 3 4s are 12, 2 plus 12 whole square, 9 plus 1 it is 2, 16 plus 4 which is 20 greater than or equivalent to 196, 200 greater than or equivalent to 196. 200 greater than or equivalent to 196. I hope the idea is clear. When the variables are equal, then the sign will be equivalent to. Extremely important key point. Very, very important key point. A square plus b square plus c square into x square plus y square plus z square is always greater than or equivalent to ax plus by plus cz whole square. So by using this same concept, we will write down the concept here. A square plus b square plus c square into x square plus y square plus z square, it is always greater than or equivalent to ax plus by plus cz whole square. So what you do is, you keep a equivalent to 1, b equivalent to 1, c equivalent to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 into x square plus y square plus z square greater than or equivalent to x plus y plus z whole square. X square plus y square plus z square is 48 greater than or equivalent to x plus y plus z whole square. So x plus y plus z whole square less than or equivalent to 144. So less than or equivalent to 144, less than or equivalent to 12. Less than or equivalent to 12, maximum value is nothing but 12. Maximum value, it is nothing but 12. We have to find out the maximum value of x plus y plus z. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea is to introduce you the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. A square plus b square plus c square into x square plus y square plus z square, it is always greater than or equivalent to ax plus by plus cz whole square. Keep a equivalent to 1, b equivalent to 1 and c equivalent to 1. Method 3. Method 3. Let us see what is method 3. Method 3 says root mean square. Root mean square is always, this is also called as the quartile mean. Root mean square or the quartile mean, it is always greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Write down this point. Quartile mean, it is always greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Quartile mean. Suppose if there are three numbers a, b and c. Root mean square says first square the values a square, b square, c square. Square the values. Mean is sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Square it and add it. Under root, it is always greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean of the given numbers. This is the application. Root mean square, it is always greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. First take the numbers a, b, c, square it a square, b square, c square. Mean means sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Then apply the root. So instead of a, b, c, here there is x, y, z. So root of x square plus y square plus z square divided by 3 greater than or equivalent to x plus y plus z by 3. These is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square is 48. 48 by 3 is 16. Root 16, it is 4. So 12 greater than or equivalent to x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z is less than or equivalent to 12. Less than or equivalent to 12. X plus y plus z less than or equivalent to 12. So what will be the maximum value? 12. I hope these three concepts are clear. Method number 1 is a symmetric function application. Make the variables equal. Method number 2 is Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Method number 3 is root mean square is always greater than or equivalent to arithmetic mean. Next one, if x, y, z are arbitrary positive real numbers, satisfying the equation 4xy plus 6yz plus 8zx equivalent to 9, then the maximum possible value of the product. First we will do the correct method, then I will tell you the mistake where most of the students will do it. Correct method. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. Arithmetic mean is nothing but the sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Geometric mean is nth root of their product. 4xy plus 6yz plus 8zx divided by 3. It is greater than or equivalent to cubed root of 4xy into 6yz into 8zx. D is nothing but 9 by 3. Cube the root of. D is nothing but 4 6 are 24, 24 8s are 192. So D is nothing but into x, y, z whole square. Are you all with me? 3 1s are 3 3s are 27 greater than or equivalent to 3 cube is 27. 192 into xyz whole square. So xyz is less than or equivalent to root of 27 by 192. 3 9s are 364. It is nothing but 3 by 8. It is nothing but 3 by 8. I hope the idea it is clear, right? 4xy plus 6yz plus 8zx. 8zx. So what they will do is, it is 3 by 8. am greater than or equivalent to gm. am, the three variables are 4xy, 6yz, 8zx. Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. 9 by 3. 3 cube is 27. 27 greater than or equivalent to 192 into xyz square. So under root it is 3 9s are 364s are. Root of 9 is 3. Root of 64 is 8. It is 3 by 8. Most of the students in hurry, what they will do is, they will take it as x equivalent to y equivalent to z they will keep. So if they keep x equivalent to y equivalent to z, the entire equation is changing. What is the actual equation? 4xy plus 6yz plus 8zx equivalent to 9. If x is replaced with y, y is replaced with z, the same equation should come. Let x be replaced with y. Y is replaced with z. 6yz is becoming 4yz. So these incorrect. Please write down. Right? Do not assume this function to be a symmetric function. Do not assume this function to be a symmetric function. The easily one answer option contains symmetric function is a function where f of x comma y comma z is equivalent to f of y comma z comma x. The equation should not change, right? So if you change x with y, y with z, here I am getting 4yz, but in the question it is given as 6yz. So probably what you will do is, you will tick mark the different option. So they will do 4x square, 6x square, 8x square equivalent to 9, 18x square equivalent to 9, x is 1 by root 2. So they will tick mark the answer 1 by 2 root 2. It is not a symmetric function. Symmetric function means if x is replaced with y, y is replaced with z, the equation should remain as it is. Here the equation, it is not symmetric function. Please make a note of it in your notebook.